If you searched how to buy shares of Tractor Supply Co., this short guide will walk through the practical steps. Tractor Supply Co. serves rural and farm customers and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TSCO. This video is educational and not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can buy. Open the broker search field and type the TSCO ticker to find Tractor Supply Co. Confirm you have selected the correct company listing before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the name and the NASDAQ listing to ensure this is the right stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will be pending until it opens. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio view. For the eToro example link, please check the description below.